Today I have an exclusive video of the location of Tesla Gigafactory in Mexico. It's going to be called GigaMX, and look at how beautiful this area is and how unique it is. Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel torquenews.com. In today's video we're going to talk about the location of Tesla's newest Gigafactory in Mexico, which will be built in Nuevo León in Santa Catarina. Recently the Secretary of Foreign Relations in Mexico released a panoramic video showing the property where Tesla will be building its new Gigafactory MX. First, let's watch the video and note that he says that the factory will have the lowest water consumption of any auto factory in the world.
And on this side is up to the middle, all the way to the highway. And it goes all the way to the tollway booth over there.
Que se llega a ver allá.
Sí, la caseta de allá. La primera caseta. Y es toda esta zona plana de en medio, de ese lado de la montaña, y de este lado de la montaña tenemos, digamos, después de la segunda loma es donde empieza también el terreno este lado.
Muy bien.
Era lo que antes se conocía como el Rancho Carvajal.
Así se llamaba aquí.
Sí.
Now, I'm having trouble imagining how it's going to fit into such a hilly environment. How is going to Tesla fit its Gigafactory Mexico in such a hilly environment? Are they moving a lot of dirt? If Tesla is smart, they can build the factory in such a way on this hilly area environment to use the force of the gravity when they do the assembly line. This is an idea for Tesla. Do you guys have any news on GigaMX building permit yet? I'm not sure if Tesla will get the GigaMX building permit this month, as the month is almost over. Regarding Gigafactory Shanghai, we say Gigafactory China. In Gigafactory Berlin, we say Giga Berlin, and Gigafactory Texas is called Giga Texas. And I already have seen that Gigafactory Mexico will be called GigaMX. So also look at this location that you have seen in your screen. If allowed, I bet so many new houses, stores, and etc. will be built in this area. So much open land across from where the factory will be built. I think this is a huge opportunity for the local economy and also for Tesla. This is an excellent location, I think, for Tesla, for GigaMX, as it is close to both the US and Mexican markets, making transportation of goods and materials more efficient. The area also has a skilled workforce and a robust supply chain, which will aid Tesla in building its new factory. The Secretary of Foreign Relations in Mexico also mentioned that, like I said, the factory will have the lowest water consumption of any auto factory in the world. This is excellent news for the environment, as water is precious resource, and it is crucial that companies take steps to minimize their usage when producing cars or electric vehicles. And so, in concluding this video, I would like to say that Tesla's decision to build its newest Gigafactory in Mexico is a strategic move that will benefit both Tesla and the local economy. We look forward to seeing the progress and impact this factory will have in the future on the Mexican economy and the world economy. So let me know your thoughts, friends. What do you think? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, please, to our channel for more exciting updates from Tesla and electric vehicles, and give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll look forward to your comments. What do you think about this location? And if you guys know anyone from this location, if you have a picture or video, please send it my way. I would be happy to share in this channel. God bless you. Have a great rest of the day wherever you may be.